imo sa inyo ang pat ako ka horse na nakuha. So ang isa ani is napalit na ko siya sa halaga na $450. Pero ang una yun ako nakabayop ay kani siya, si Tennessee Walker. So ang quote niya is Mahogany Bay. So mura niya ang speed of acceleration. Handling niya is standard. May akong kabayo guys. So karon matuta sa stable para kita na po sa inyo ang ako ang tulopak kabayo na ako ang tago.
Please be generous.
So let's go.
Be generous. Help people. Try to do what you can.
Liver is full.
So ang katungunan ng kabayo na kanis ni
Please
si
give
Walker,
money
ang
to the
ngalan niya
orphans.
is si
Remember,
Walker.
it's better
Walker
to
kung
give
di
than
kuhan
to
siya di
receive.
pangalan kay may ganahan ako. So nagkadua si Copper. So si Copper
All right, let's make the swap.
Let's make this country a brotherhood of man.
Americanist,
So give what you can.
Stanbred.
We're in it together.
Coat niya
We
is
can be
Max
one.
Kid. Type is pang race siya. Male siya. So, yun siya si Copper.
Collecting for an orphanage in
Tina.
San Denis.
Okay,
Please
now
give
go
if
make
you
the switch.
can.
So, kani siya is Dutch Warm Blood. Chocolate Brown. Male. Type niya is pang word. Ayun, ang
People.
Morning, mister.
I do
Unicorn.
all I can manage. Are
Okay,
you doing
let's
what
go
you
switch 'em.
can? Huh?
si Unicorn is ang type niya pang race siya.
Use your strength to
Grade
help the
niya is
weak.
Makuta. White Ruin. Ayun, male.
Come on,
Oh,
please.
nice.
Please,
Oh,
somebody, be
mali.
generous.
Kabayo.
Show you care. Come on, please, somebody.